This is our relay factory. Our factory has advanced CNC equipment to meet various production needs. Our colleague is designing the product model according to the customer's request. After modeling, we will move to production. CNC machine is cutting the wheel. We have sufficient inventory. Fast packing, worldwide shipping.